everybody, this is Pam at the Paper Outpost. I am very happy to present to you a journal package for sale in my Etsy shop as of the uploading of this video. This is Dainty. I'm going to call her Dainty because I think she's very dainty and she's very pretty. She is a beautiful handmade junk journal by me. She is undecorated. She is ready to receive glorious decorations from you. She has beautiful papers on the inside that are coffee dyed, avocado dyed, specialty dyes, stenciled, leaf designs, branch designs, all sorts of fun and gorgeous papers for you to play in. Now, I wouldn't leave you alone in this with no other things to play with. So this particular journal, you may have seen me make the cover and do these signatures on my videos. I'm going to add to this a fundle, which is a collection of old and interesting papers, everything from antique ledger, checks, receipts, postcards, black and white photos, key cards, greeting cards, old defunct currency, Edith Holden pages, all sorts of interesting things, business papers, music sheets, very interesting dictionary pages, all sorts of different kinds of papers that you can play with in your junk journal. So for you to decorate if you so choose, or for gift giving if you so choose. And there you go. So there, it's going to be that. In addition to that, you're also going to get a fabric pack, which I'm starting to run very low on. But there are, okay, so in the bundle, there's 100 plus pieces. In the fabric pack, there are 40 plus pieces of different types of fun fabric to use in your junk journal. There's going to be everything from laces to muslin to just gorgeous upholstery fabrics, all sorts of different beautiful fabrics to use to decorate your junk journal. And in addition to that, you're going to get the triple bonus, which automatically comes with that. It's going to be a handwritten letter, a vintage piece of a newspaper, and a collection of vintage stamps, which are automatically included in that. And then, in addition to that, just for fun, I pulled out some extra special items that will also be included in this. And one of the things is going to be 4 pieces of handmade ephemera from me, and since there's 4 signatures, I thought if you want to incorporate these, you can. I've made videos on all of these, so feel free to check those out, but this has multiple pockets in it, and the back can be used as a pocket as well. If you glue it in a U shape onto a page, you can tuck things in here, so 4 pockets here. This is a single pocket out of a book page with buttons. This is a book page with belly band, so you can slide interesting things here. You can glue the whole thing down, or you can glue it in a C, and this can be an extra pocket. This is just a house I showed you how to make out of extra scrap paper that you might have laying around. You can use this any way you like. So those are the 4 pieces that will be included with this particular dainty journal. And there is a beautiful old envelope. Here is a handwritten French calligraphy letter from 1935. It's just a beautiful letter, beautiful paper. Monsieur Andrew. There you go. Oh, Sonny's off and everything. This is a very, very old book page from the 1600s. Gorgeous piece of history. This is an old ticket, and this is a very old Royal Soap Victorian trading card. So there you go. So all these items will be included with this particular journal. So if you have interest in this journal, all you need to do is hop over to my Etsy shop, and you will get all these items mailed to you. It's going to come with free priority mail shipping included, and you will be off and running for the holidays. Maybe you want to give this as a gift to somebody or for yourself to play with, to get some ideas. But you're going to have all these items included as well. So let me just give you a little closer tour of the journal itself. Did I give you the specs? It's 8 by 5.5, 1.5 inch spine, 4 signatures and 192 pages front and back. Now this one is fully loaded. If you need to remove some of the pages so that you can add more items, all you do is cut the one page and pull it out. It'll come right out, so you can thin it out if you want, but I wanted to load it in case you wanted to use it as a writing journal. You can also do that. And it is signed and dated by me, October 2023. Okay, and there you go. Sunshine? Sunshine, do you have anything to say about this? I think he has something to say about this. Hold on. Sunbun. Hello, my little lamb. Come here. My little lamb, come here. It's all right. I know. Come along. Okay. All right. Here we are. Mr. Snuffers has been captured. And now you want to do a pup date? Yes? Okay. Hello, everybody. It's Sunshine. Cub Pup Reporter here doing a pup date. Coming to you from the Paper Outpost. Reporting that the cool weather is continuing. We are very happy about that because I'm wearing a fur coat. And Mother is starting to discontinue the swimming lessons because it's a little chilly to get in the pool. So we are not going in the pool anymore at this time. The weather may change at any moment. It does in Florida. But I want you to know that I'm rehearsing my swimming lessons in my mind as I sit here and ponder on the wonder of everything. Thank you. Happy crafting. And talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, wait. Sunshine out. Okay, very good. Very good. Back to the basket. All right. All is well. So, for those of you who are new, for those of you who have been here a while, welcome to everyone. Very excited that you're here. We're embarking on a gorgeous fall together. I hope the weather is beautiful wherever you are and you're enjoying your papery fun. And if you don't know, I have a free monthly emailed newsletter. The link is in the description box below. But all you need to do is sign up for that. And then monthly you will get the newsletter, which will also include a free digital image that you can print out and play with at home, a checklist of supplies if you're looking for things for your junk journal world, a note from the bookmaker which explains what a junk journal is and how to use it. I usually tuck this in the beginning of my journals just to give them a explanation of what on earth this is, and also a page list of ideas on how to break the blank page, and there's also videos aligned with that as well, called Never Endless Page Ideas. I think that's what it's called. It's a playlist on my YouTube channel. And also you're going to get junk journal tips, updates from me, peeks at my new kits coming out, and a plethora of other things. And also, so the freebie section is always at the very bottom of the email in case you're looking for it. Okay. And usually when you sign up, the next day you'll get that month's email, and then you'll go on or about the 1st of every month. My videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material. And I've covered topics such as junk journal making, paper crafting, life of a crafter, and answering your crafty questions. And I also have video podcasts that you can watch anytime on Spotify. And I have an Etsy shop, so if you're interested in fundles or fabric packs, I do have some fabric packs left, but they are going quickly. And my fundles I do have available for sale in my Etsy shop. I also sell digital kits, which are printable downloads. Let me show you an example of one. This is the one from, oh, okay, get one out here, Pam. All right, I got it. Pussy Willow. This is Pussy Willow. So they're collections of beautiful imagery that you can cut out and use in your junk journals. They're themed. There's 5 pages each. You can either print them out at home, or if you would like me to print them out for you, I will do that for a flat fee. I print 10 digikits out for you, which equals 50 printed pages. I print it on nice lightweight cardstock for you, so they're nice. They're a little bit stiffer than regular paper. Very easy to use for pockets and tucks and journal cards and cover art and things like that. So if you're interested in that service, just buy the print and mail option only, and then send me your list of the 10 digikit names, either through Etsy message or to my email address, which is pam@thepaperoutpost.com. Now, if you just want the digikits, all you do is buy the individual digikits, and then they will be eternally saved for you on Etsy, and then you can download them and save them on your device. And if you ever lose where you put them on your device, you can always go back into your Etsy shop, into your Etsy account, and find them. The files are always there, and you can download them again. Now, I highly recommend, if you're going to do that, use your Etsy account. Don't check out as a guest, or there's no way for you to track your purchases. So it just makes it a lot easier for you to find your files if you use your Etsy account. Now, I was going to tell you something else about that. Oh, and it just flew right out of my mind. Okay, maybe I'll think about it later. I have an Amazon shop, so if you're looking for favorite tools or supplies that you see me use here on the Paper Outpost, I try and put links to the ones I can find in my Amazon shop. It is an affiliate link. It does help my shop, but you do not pay more for the items for using my link. So thank you very much for all your support. And I have a t-shirt shop or a merchandise shop. If you like the phrase create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise, you can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug, a tote, or a water bottle. You can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook group. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there, doing weekly and monthly challenges, as well as seeing what you guys make from these videos. And remember, most of all, that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.